You don't know sweet and artificial cereal until you have American cereal. Check this out. I just got a sugar-filled care package from the United States purely for entertainment purposes, basically for you guys. So you can see what a real American sugar is. Well, I mean, I guess it's not real sugar. So you can see what real American artificial sugar is. Okay, we got Captain Crunch berries. Yeah. Then, oops, all berries. There's no more of those. It's just all berries. The whole thing is just the berries, right? Got Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Got the real deal American Lucky Charms. Fruity Pebbles. Cocoa Pebbles. And these are cereal straws, which I actually have never even heard of before, but it's a straw made out of cereal? Do you drink? Oh, yeah, you drink milk with it. Well, yeah, there you have it. Okay, look. I got gum. That's just the cotton candy bubble yum, which is blue, right? Then we have the regular original bubble yum, which is pink. And for the longest time in my life, I thought that this was just the real color of gum. I didn't even know this was colored. Right? Original bazooka. Pillsbury. We got sugar cookies. This whole cookie full of sugar. Twizzlers. Look at this. This is Twinkies flavored popcorn. Are you serious? Like, what? That's my favorite snack ever. I told you guys I'd be liking my sunflower seeds. Got some double bubble here. Got the Betty Crocker fudge brownie mix. And then also Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix to go with the Pillsbury sugar cookie mix. This is some other gum. Hold on. I will open this too. All right. This gum is green and red because watermelon. Well, strawberry and watermelon. And then American Rice Krispie Treats. My mom, she wrote on them. If you're Norwegian and you're in Bergen, get up with me because let's do a taste test video of you trying these American cereals, and we'll put it up here on social media, and then you will really understand what a too sweet cereal is, and then you can tell all the people out there like, whoa.